dakilang billiards action ang hatid namin ngayong gabi because we have tons of extra excitement for all of you right here during halftime. Ayan, so ito ang mangyayari, di ba? Hello. Kanina umikot ang ating lovely round girl na si Helen and made her, she asked everyone na gustong sumali to write their name on a piece of paper and drop it in our fishbowl. Ayan. And one lucky fan will be chosen to step onto the billiard table and go for the gold. And of course, what's at stake nga ba? You will have 2 chances to sink the 9-ball and win a ST01Q, courtesy of our generous sponsor, Perry Q's, the Q of Champions. Perfect na perfect to step up your billiards game. Talagang pang pro level nga naman mga kabilyar. Pero ito yung twist. To give you an even better shot at a golden break, we'll place the 9-ball on the left or right wing of the rack instead of the middle. So mas mataas ang tsansang maipasok nyo ang 9. Alright, ready na ba kayong lahat? Ready na ba kayong lahat? There you go, bumunot na tayo. Helen, dito tayo sa gitna. Okay, sino kaya ang lucky fan na mabubunot natin? And I got the name already. Tingnan natin. Parang familiar yung surname. Baka magaling to. Halika na dito at sumargo ka na, Rafael Orque! Anak ba to ni Coach Jaynard? Talaga? Yun na nga sinasabi ko eh. May chance. Rafael Orque. Calm down. Let's go! Palakpakan naman natin ang ating lucky winner. Lucky fan, kasi hindi pa tayo sure eh. Magpapasikat siya sa atin ngayong gabi. May fans agad. Ang daming coach! Rafael, ready ka na ba?
Ready na.
Let's go! Take your shot! Muntik na! Muntik na pero meron ka pang isang chance. So, ref, pakiayos ng bola. Rafael, huminga ka muna ng malalim. Meron ka pang isang chance. Tingnan natin kung maipapasok ni Rafael ang 9. Pwedeng igalaw ang ating bola, pamato. Alright. Ready na ba? Rafael, take your shot. Sayang, pero you did great. Ibang klase nga naman talaga. Anak ni Coach Jaynard yan eh. Alright, Rafael, thank you so much dahil ikaw ang bida sa aming halftime ngayong gabi. Palakpakan naman natin once again Rafael Orque, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, syempre tuloy-tuloy pa rin na excitement dito sa SBA Championship. Stay tuned for more thrilling action and surprises. Baka ikaw na ang susunod na mag-break and win big. Salamat, Perry Q's, and let's keep the energy high, mga kabilyar.